In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can find your Wi-Fi IP address on your laptop. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So this is a pretty much straightforward and simple procedure. Come to your start, then come to search. Now you're going to use the command prompt. Search for the command prompt. After that, you can then click on open. Now as the command prompt is opened, type in the following ipconfig. As it is, don't put any space, make sure it is as it is. So after that, tap on enter. Once you tap on enter over here, guys, you can see that you see the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi 2. So this is where your IP address is, and your IP address essentially is the IP4 or IPv4 address, this one over here. So basically my IP address is 10.79.197.27. So basically that is it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel.